Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be explaining the dance step by step and with the counts. And don't worry because this tutorial is mirrored, so feel free to follow me. If I'm speaking too fast or too slow, you can adjust the speed of the video in the YouTube settings. If you want to practice with the music, check the link in the description. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more videos. And if you're ready, let's get started. So the first 8 counts are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So legs together looking to the front. We're going to bring our right arm up like this and wave it from left to right. So left and right. And our body is going to move in a circle from left to right also, following our hand. So we're going to move slowly from left to right in a circle. So all together, left, right. We're going to bring our arms out, slightly looking to the right. Bring your hands out like this, palms up, and look at your palms. So bring your head down and look at your hands like this. So wave, okay, move in a circle and bring your hands. Then circle, circle and bring your hands up. So from there, make 2 circles until your right fist is up and your left fist is down. Like this. Okay, right up, left down. Both fists are like that. So look at your hands, circle, circle and fist up, fist down. One more time, wave. Look at your hands, circle, circle, hands in front of your face, like this. On C's, you're going to bring your arm out. So from it being here, you're going to bring your right out, bring your right arm out to the right, stretch it out, and your hands are going to be like that. So bring it out, and your left fist is going to open up and move to the left, okay, slowly. All this is going to be slowly, so open your arms like in an elegant way, okay? So look at your hands, circle, circle, fist, and bring out your left and right arm. On 7, you're going to hide. So with your right arm, put it into fist and put it in front of your face like this and hide. Put it in front of your face, elbow to the front, and then bring it down. Okay, so now let's repeat this part with counts from here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next up is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. So still looking to the front, you're going to step with your right and slide back slowly. So step with your right and with your left, slide back. Okay, like this. In a side view, in the front view is going to be step and slide. And your head is also going down. So look at your feet and then look up. So look down, up. On 3, you're going to step with your left outside, step, and with your right arm, grab something and put it into fist. So you're going to kind of grab something. So grab something. From there, you're going to make an helicopter and point your gun to the left. So helicopter and point. You're going to point, index finger out, thumb out, point to the left, and with your left hand, put the gun on top and point to the left. So grab something, helicopter, point. Okay, so if this is clear, let's repeat from the beginning, from this slide. Okay, so we're going to slide, grab something, helicopter, point. On 5, from pointing the gun, you're going to put your right leg in front of your left and take your gun to the right. So from it being to the left, take it to the right. So from here, 5. Then on 6, you're going to bring your hand up. The leg is going outside, okay? And with your right fist, bring it up like this, next to your face. And put it down. And we're going to be there on 7, 8. So from here, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let's repeat from the count of 3. So grab something, helicopter, point to the right, hand up. Now let's repeat from this part from the beginning. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Next up is 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So for this part, okay, you're going to bring left up and right up, okay? And your body is going to go to the left and to the right. Then you're going to raise your right hand up and place it on the left side of your chest when you raise your left leg. Then when you raise your right leg, you're going to place it on the right side of your chest, like this, okay? So after this, for this part, you're going to separate your legs like this and open, close, open. So your legs are going out, in, out. And your hands are going to be crossed in front of your chest like this. So it is 3 and, okay? Legs out and you cross your arms, okay? In this position. From the beginning, 1, 2, 3, and on 4 in this part, you're going to be on the same position, but you're going to move your head to the right like this and bend your right knee like this. This is very fast. So fast, go to the right, okay? So from here, fast, go to the right. From the beginning, from here, it is 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then 5, 6. For this part, you're going to raise your right and raise your left. Okay? And with your arms crossed, you're going to raise, raise. Okay? It is going up, down, all the time. Okay? 4 times. Just follow your legs. Okay? So 1, 2, 3, 4. Down, 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 down. Okay? So from here, one more time. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Down, 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 down. From there, 7 and 8. You're going to slide your body, okay, to the right, okay? Just move your body to the right and bring your right arm up into fist like this. Bring like this and throw it to the floor. So bring your fist up and throw it to the floor. Okay, so from it being up, down, and go to your place. Okay, from here, one more time. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, up, throw. So next up is 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. So first raise your left leg and move it to the left like this. So your knee is going to the left. And with your right hand, you're going to push it to the left. Then you're going to push your right leg with your two hands. Push it to the front, raise your leg, and you go up. You kind of jump. So jump and put your arms up like this. Okay, so push your leg, jump, arms up. Now here comes the hardest part of the dance, in my opinion. Okay, this part. So let's break down the moves and let's start with the arms first. So hands up, then you're going to put your left hand in front of your forehead like this and touch it with the right hand. Okay, touch it like this. So from there, touch. Then make a triangle in front of your chest and bring it up. So triangle up, arm like this, triangle in your chest, triangle up. Okay, one more time, triangle up, then triangle to your chest and triangle up. After this, you're going to turn around your triangle. So from here, turn your triangle until it looks to the left. So see how the left arm is looking down. You're going to turn so that the left arm is up and the right arm is down. Okay? And the triangle is looking to the left. So triangle up. Okay? Circle, turn it around, and triangle looking to the left. So from here, turn it. Okay? Right arm down, left arm up. From here, triangle up, then triangle down, triangle up, and turn around your triangle until it looks to the left. Okay, good. Let's repeat this part one more time. Triangle up, then you touch your hand, your arm, triangle to your chest, triangle up, turn around your triangle until it looks to the left. Again, triangle up, touch your arm, triangle to your chest, triangle up, turn around your triangle. One more time, triangle up, touch your arm, triangle down, triangle up, and turn around your triangle. Faster, triangle up, touch your arm, triangle down, triangle up, turn around your triangle. Okay? Perfect. Okay? This is just faster because in the dance is really, really fast. And after that, you're going to bring your fingers out. So left up, right down, and like move your fingers. So now for the legs, after 1, 2, and touch your arm. And when you make a triangle in front of your chest, you're going to bring your leg out. Your left leg is going out so that you can like kind of bring your triangle up. So from the chest, it's going up, and you're going to bring your left leg out. And when you turn your triangle, when you turn it, you're going to step with the right leg. Okay? So from here, step with the left, step with the right until you look to the left. Okay? Like this. So from here, step with the left and step with the right. Okay, so we're almost done with the chorus. Let's repeat from the beginning, from this part. So it is 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, 6. So on 6, you're going to bring your hands separated from all the way up. So it's going down and up. And for this last part, you're going to bring your heel up. Your right heel is going to be up like this. Okay? And you're going to move it to the right and then back to the front. Okay, so to the right first and then to the front. Your hands are up like this and your head is going to follow your heel. So it's going to be looking to the front, then to the right and back to the front. Okay, after this you're going to touch your left, touch your right, and your hands are going back up. So touch the left side of your chest, the right side of your chest, and then bring your hand up. And lastly, bring it down. So from here, look to the right, to the front, and bring your hands down. From here, it is 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8.